Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you are signed into the correct Google account. This is crucial because Keyword Planner links to ads permissions. Once signed in, open Google Ads and locate Tools and Settings. Keyword Planner sits there. If you don't have an ads account, create one now. It's fast and often required for full access. Make sure billing information is ready only if prompted. This gets you into the tool quickly so you can begin keyword research without permission errors. Once inside Keyword Planner, pick the action you need. Discover new keywords to expand ideas or get search volume to analyze a list. Next, enter seed keywords or paste domains to let Google suggest related terms. Make sure to set location, language, and the search network so data matches your target audience. After that, refine with date range and filters like negative keywords or competition. Click Get Results, and you'll see volume, competition, and top metrics. Finally, analyze the returned keywords by sorting AVG. Monthly searches, competition, and bid ranges to prioritize opportunities. This helps you decide which terms to target. Once done, select keywords to add to your plan or export them as a CSV for deeper analysis. Make sure to save your plan if you'll run campaigns. If you encounter blank results or limited data, check your ad's account status, permissions, and location settings. These commonly cause missing or aggregate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.